Rancho Capoma. Capamo. Capamo. Rancho Mexicano. I like my dogs chill, not like you, Oreo.
Excuse me. Don't talk about my dog like that. Come here, Oreo. Yeah.
Where my dogs at? Who let the dogs out? Am I right?
Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. It's intelligent. ¿Cómo es? IA, artificial intelligence.
AI.
Got the AI chip in there.
The city is go.
Oh.
Okay. No problema.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. Holy shit. Aniva. Ow. I'm gonna sprain my fucking ankle.
Bean. Shavakadu. That was a lot of Shavakadu actually. I'm gonna transfer it.
Shavakadu. Yeah. Hi, baby girl. Okay, steak.
Steak. I've never had steak before, ever. Well, maybe sometime.
Maybe by accident.
A lot of chewing involved. It's good, right?
Really good.
I'm telling.
Me and Taylor for real.
This is like a barrel like this high full of ice and beers.
It's better.
Yeah.
That's like over 1,000 beers right there.
Happy birthday, Justine! Okay.
So actually, I have nothing for 2023. Oh, I didn't even know that. Oh shit. 10. Out of 10. 15. Oh, that's a crunch. 10 out of 10. Well, actually, this is like an 8. Here are 5 reasons to keep chasing your goals. You have a purpose no one else can fulfill. Have fun cooking, loser. These guys don't want to hit the mirror door.
Group activity. All of us came out today
Ayo.
to do the hike to the Mirador.
Scream if you're excited for Ariana's activity.
And that's how you get the crowd riled up.
Oh.
Whoa, pretty.
Some guy. Whoever's running this activity sucks.
I know, right? Wow.
We actually still have somewhere to go, but
Crazy looking too. Whoa.
brought a lot.
So cute. Another day, another video of Taylor petting a different dog.
Come on. Not me. You.
When I mix the cards, I will start the round.
You are starting the round because she's mixing the cards.
The tension in this room is crazy.
Wait, you split. You
Just hike
split.
it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry that your feelings got hurt. Fuck off, Heineken.
Heineken split, right? Wait, no, didn't I just hand out? No, I
Viele
don't know.
Grüße an die kanadischen Fans, ne?
Yeah, whatever you said.
We're from Birmingham, actually.
Juju is.
Yeah.
Next time you bring your crabby ass back to my fucking rock, remember how I rocked your shit, bitch? Yeah, floundering around like a little fucking crabby slut. Get tested, bitch.